Hello everyone, Joel Heitkamp here. Thanks for going another mile with me at kfgo.com. Just want to talk to you a little bit about the special legislative session which just came to a conclusion last week. They tackled the real tough issues, didn't they? Well, kind of and kind of not. Let's talk about it a little bit. Let's talk about why UND and their nickname should have ever even been part of this. It shouldn't have. It never should have been part of it. They had no business bringing into it during the session, and in the end, they did. They ended up making themselves look like a band of fools for even bringing it up in the first place. And still, some of the very same people that were fighting it in the beginning couldn't get over it in the end. And Stacey Dahl, let's talk about her. She said, you know, we can't pick a new nickname for 3 years. Why not 4? Why not 5? 3 years. I have no idea why she chose 3 years. I just know that the legislature still couldn't help themselves and had to stick their nose into UND's business. Now, did Stacey Dahl ever go down to the tribes, go down to 48s and say, I represent the UND area? And you know what? I kind of owe it to them to get your take on this. No. My guess is probably no. I also want to talk to you just a little bit about the healthcare exchanges. One way or another, the new healthcare bill is in place on a federal level, right? We have the federal government involved in healthcare. You can hate it. You can love it. I don't care your opinion on that right now. What I do care is whether or not the state of North Dakota controls what we do on the healthcare exchanges. We had an opportunity to do it. Some of the most conservative of Republicans, Jim Casper, for example, said, we need to do this. I agree with Jim. He was right. If we want to keep that control at a local level, they needed to do something this special session. Instead, they let politics get in the way. And for that matter, Governor Dalrymple let politics get in the way, and now the control that we could have maintained here in North Dakota of those exchanges is going to go to the federal level. Federal level is going to have all that control. That's wrong. They gave away their authority, and you as North Dakotans should be mad about that. Lots of things to talk about. We can continue this conversation on News and Views. But for my money, anytime we can keep control here and tell the federal government we've got our own house in order, I'm a happier man. Thanks for going another mile. It's been good riding with you right here at kfgo.com.